Welcome back! In this video, you will be taking small sections from the right and left side and matching it with the guide in the back. The hair closer to the inside of my hand is the guide, and the rest is what will be cut off. You will over-direct the hair back to leave some length on the sides. Once you have connected the guide with the side section, you can cut that guide in half and move towards the face. Check and see how it lays, making sure there are no bulky or uneven sections. You will repeat that on the left side of the head. Great job! In the next video, you will be blending the top with the sides. I will see you there.